Tips and tricks that work in 2019 and 2020. There's a lot of competition in the world of internet marketing, with more and more brands and companies discovering that they can get faster results when they have all their strategies working together. To stand out and get ahead, you will need to know some advanced tricks and to learn some tips from pros like us. Here is a list of advanced complete internet marketing tips and tricks that work in 2019 and 2020. Reverse engineer popular content. Creating content can be hard, especially new content. You not only have to research, fact check, and write, you also don't know for sure if the content you're creating will be popular or relevant. Our point is, it will take too much time out of your schedule. To avoid this, you can simply investigate what topics and content is popular in your niche so you can reverse engineer it. What you have to do is research what types of content your audience enjoys the most, what popular content pieces have gone viral before, and what websites publish that type of content. Use the Google Keyword Planner and the Google Keyword Ideas tool to enter your niche keywords and get suggestions. Once you have a number of content pieces that you'd like to post, you'll simply have to write them in your own words, to update them with newer, more relevant information, and to add your own graphics and media. This way, you'll save time, and you'll generate traffic more easily. Curate content. You can also share content from others without modifying it. You simply have to find website and content creators that are considered authorities in your niche, and then to share their content on your website and on your social media channels. This is a powerful trick because your followers and website visitors are already familiar with those websites and content creators, so they won't have a problem sharing their content pieces, but through your own channels. This will help you reach their friends and followers, increasing exposure to your brand. Send social media posts at strategic times. Social media users on different social networks are the most active at different times of the day. So what becomes popular on Twitter at night might not make much noise on Facebook at the same time. So just like Tuesdays are the best days to send or respond to an email, there are strategic times when to post social media to generate the most engagement. On Instagram at 8 a.m. and 1 p.m. and at 9 p.m. On Facebook at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., at 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., and at 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. On Twitter at 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., at 12 p.m., and at 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. On LinkedIn at 12 p.m. Use geo-targeted keywords. You can generate traffic from local searches to increase your site ranking and to generate more leads and sales from local customers by using geo-targeted keywords. Geo-targeted keywords are simply long-tail keywords that target a location. Even if you offer digital services to international customers, you can target your location with geo-targeted keywords in your content to increase your ranking for local searches in your niche. For example, if you manufacture and sell water filters in the Americas, but your focus is on English-speaking countries, then your main geo-targeted keyword should be water filters made in USA and water filters in Canada, as those are the search terms that potential customers will use when looking for information about the product on Google. Use infographics to condense your content. Some people on the internet won't read your content, won't read your PDFs, won't watch your entire videos, and won't listen to your podcasts. That's inevitable. Some people do it because they don't have the patience, the attention span, or the time to consume long-form content. But you can get their attention with infographics. Infographics are simple visual representations of information, and they're used by pro internet marketers to make content easy and quick to understand. You can hire a freelance graphic designer to translate your content into beautiful infographics on sites such as Fiverr.com for cheap. Or you can use infographic makers such as Venngage to create infographics that you can share on your content pages and on social media.